So if I were to go around over here and let's say, for example, go to any place, like if I were to go to the background section, you can see that certain color range is available right here. Similarly, if I were to go to text, you can see that certain color text is here that I can choose from right here. So these are based on the, let's say, for example, the color theme that you have applied in Strikingly. But if you want to go ahead and change out the color theme so that you get other color options, then you can actually go around onto the left hand panel right here, and then around over here in the style section, if you were to go around, you can see color scheme is an option. So by default, you can see that this is the color scheme right here. So you can go ahead and choose, let's say, for example, a color that you want. And as you choose, you can see that the buttons actually reflect that particular color. You can also go ahead and add in another color by clicking on the plus button and then choose out a color as you want right here. And when you do that, you can actually see that the theme palette right here changes out as well. So as I go ahead and change this, you can see that the shade of that particular color comes up right here. You can go around over here and choose another color right here. And depending on that, you can see that the colors reflect right here. So you can go ahead right here, choose this particular color as you want. Press done if you want to. If you know the particular color code right here in hexadecimal format, you can go ahead and then type that in as well accordingly right here. And of course, you can always go ahead and use the color that you see right here, and you can go ahead and press done. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go to design, go to color right here, and then you see it from the color scheme that you actually chose right here. So whenever you design something, it stays within the color scheme that you are selecting right here. So this is how you can go ahead and select out a color scheme so that you have access to those colors, and certain sections are actually following that particular color scheme as you want inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.